So this is the motor that I have on the lathe right now. About 11.5 overall with shaft. The motor itself is 9. Shaft diameter is 3/4. I'll show you what I just got. Come on, you. Let's go. Took some doing and a lot of waiting, but I finally found it. This is a 3 horsepower, 1725 RPM, reversible, single phase ball door motor. Unfortunately, it's a little bit bigger than I wanted. We're looking at 12 inches ish. Boy, oh boy. So 15.25, say 15.5 overall for this bad boy. Oh boy. I'm guessing it's not going to take a rocket scientist to figure this out. I'm going to have to make some modifications to the cabinet if I want this to fit. Ah, poop.